With over 60 years of experience as a market leader in color measurement and color management, X-Rite Pantone has partnered with thousands of customers to identify and implement new ways of increasing quality and productivity. Whether you're new to color and interested in learning the basics, or in need of customized solutions, we offer both the flexibility and the know-how to help improve your business.
At X-Rite Pantone, we offer a variety of educational experiences, from classroom training to regional seminars to customized on-site training at your location. Our team of application engineers are industry experts, having come from companies and roles like yours. With our team's combined 350 years of industry and color experience, you can be sure that we can help you be successful in managing color.
With 7 X-Rite Service Centers and 50 certified partners around the world, we are positioned to meet your repair, certification, and preventative maintenance needs. Our average service turnaround time is less than 3 days, and you don't have to worry about productivity downtime when you take advantage of our robust loaner pool. For select X-Rite equipment, our team of highly trained and experienced technicians can provide services at your location.
While we can repair or certify your device as needed, we also offer 4 different cost-effective packages that provide peace of mind. From a basic protective to a premium care plan, these service care plans ensure your color measurement devices remain in optimum working condition.
Our team supports all of X-Rite Pantone's products and solutions. However you prefer to contact us, we are focused on serving you and always up for the challenge of a new problem solved.
Our dedicated service and support teams are here to help solve your problems and meet your color needs. We look forward to partnering with you.